بحریہ انکلیو, Islamabad. Invest in Pakistan, invest in Bحریہ Enclave for your future. Overseas Pakistanis, they can come and visit Bحریہ Enclave and invest here for their future, for their children. Prices are increasing rapidly. Still there is a chance. The property rate is down now. That will increase soon. So please, it's the best time for investment. If you get a chance to come across, if you come to Pakistan, come to Bحریہ Enclave first. Stay here for some time. Visit different places. Choose a site for yourself and stay there for some time. Rent a car, rent a house, apartment. Come with your family. Stay here and make investments in Bحریہ Enclave. This will give you profit. If you purchase a plot or house or apartment now, or a shop or office, in 1 year you will get the results. In 1 year you will get too much money on it. This is Bحریہ Enclave, Islamabad.